Hi everybody, Happy New Year. This week I am doing the Plantable Challenge for November and the theme is Fresh Start and it will be for January 4th through the 10th. So let's get started. This is going to be a very quick video. I've already planned most of it out. So let's get this down here. I had to plan it out and see how it would fit before I started it. All right, let me move this T over a little bit. I thought it would be cute to spell out the word start since it's the beginning of the new year. It's just straight, well, that's good. That's cute. And then I laid it out, it's very simple. There we go. Telling you, this is probably going to be a 5-minute video. Here we go. Did you guys have a nice New Year's? I did. My sons had to work. So, and you know, because of everything going on, nobody really was doing anything or going anywhere. So it's kind of nice staying at home, not having to travel. But I hope you guys had a great time if you went out or if you had plans with your family. Let's fix this real quick. There we go. And the last sticker. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I ripped it. I think I can fix it. There we go. And the last sticker says, be the very best version of you. And there you go. That is my Fresh Start spread. Let me go ahead and put it in the book. Very simple, very easy, but I think it's bold and it's energetic. It makes me want to start everything that I have on that goal list to get going. Yeah, just want to make sure I'm putting it down in the right place. There you go. Let me bring it up to you so you could see. Very simple. I hope you guys check out my Instagram page. It's Planning with a Purpose. And check out the other spreads at #Plantable January 2021. Thank you.